boys and girls. Are you ready to become readers and writers? Come along with me. Learn how to read and write. When you're learning how to write, you need to write on something, right? I like to have primary lines. Let's take a look inside. Here's what it looks like inside, and if we get really close to the lines, you can see that there are blue lines, a dotted line, and a little red line on the bottom. Here are the lines really close up. Does this look a little different? For one, it's bigger, but for two, it has a triangle on top. What does this look like to you? It kind of looks like a house, right? All letters belong in the house. This house is a 2-story house. It has an upstairs, a downstairs, and it also has a basement. Normally, basements are underground, and attics are a little creepy, and guess what? No letters go there. They don't want to go in the creepy attic. To read and write, we need to know some words and letters. Let's start with this letter. Do you know what this letter is? Wait. Oh dear. My letter might be a little shy. M. M? Can you please come out? M. M might be a little shy. Can you say the M sound with me? M says mmm. Mmm, like we just ate something really delicious. Say M with me so M will be brave enough to come out. Ready? Mmm. Mmm. Yay! M was brave enough to come out. Do you notice where M is? Is he in the creepy attic? Ooh. No, no letters go there. Is he upstairs? No, lowercase m does not belong upstairs. How about downstairs? Yes! In the basement? No, lowercase m only goes downstairs. Now you are going to learn how to read a word. This is the word I. It only takes one letter to make this entire word. The word is I. Can you say I and point to yourself? Ready? I. Awesome. Hey pen pals, today Liam is going to write his very first sentence. I hope that you're going to follow along. You're going to need something to write with, preferably a pencil. This is one of the very first lessons that I do when I teach kindergarten. Let's get started with some of the things to help you with this lesson first, okay? I know that you've been practicing at home
with my flashcards.
Your flashcards. Do you happen to know this one?
That's I.
You're so smart. This is I. Well, this one is a really important one because when we say I, we're talking about ourselves. So can you say I and point to yourself?
I.
Perfect. You got it. Easy peasy. Boys and girls at home, say I with Liam. Ready, Liam?
I.
Great job. The next thing you're going to need to know is this one. Do you know what this is?
Oh, that's an M.
It is an M. Liam, you are so smart. How is this your first lesson? We're going to say M. Can you say M?
M.
Man.
Man.
And then we're going to say mm.
Mm.
Good job. So we're going to say M, man, mm. Your turn.
M. Man. Mm.
And you know what I do when I say the sound?
What?
To remember it? I rub my tummy. Mmm. Can you rub your tummy and say mmm?
Mm.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat croissants and cupcakes.
Oh, that does sound good. And when you eat them, what do you say? Mmm. And you rub your tummy because it's so delicious. Awesome. We are going to start writing in your journal. The first word that we're going to start with is I. We're going to start it right here. We're going to slide all the way down to the pink line. Your turn. Right over here. We start writing right on this corner on the left side. Slide all the way down. Nice job. Okay, now look it. I'm going to go across just like that on the blue line. Can you do that? Across. Good job. We got to start a little bit more over. A little bit more over. There you go. And now for the bottom line, look, we're going to start here and we're going to go across the bottom. Can you start a little bit over? There you go, and go across the bottom. Perfect. Okay, now we're done writing the word I. So now we need to finger space. Here we go. And this is how you write an A. We're going to go downstairs. We're going to swing it around, up, and make a tail.
I can do it.
Leave your finger, because that's going to let you know where to write. We're not going to write anywhere random. We're going to write right here, right after your finger. Swing around, up, and a tail. Nice job. Okay, now we're going to write the letter M. Slide down, come up, and go bump, bump. Your turn. Ready? Start at the dotted line. Slide down, come up, bump, bump. Good job. Ready? We're going to finger space right after your M, and now you're going to write right here, okay? I'm helping Liam write his name. Don't write Liam's name. What's your name? Oh, that's a nice name. You can write your name. Ask your grown-up to help you. You can copy your grown-up, like Liam's doing with me, or you can use a highlighter and your grown-up can write it and you can trace it. Practice writing your name. Hey Liam, this is our cops poster. Cops make sure that everybody follows the rules, right?
Yeah.
So we are going to use our cops poster to make sure that you did everything right with your sentence. Liam, you're so ready to go. All right. Well, let's make sure you followed the rules. Let's use a tool to look closely. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is make sure you have a capital letter to start your sentence. Is that a capital I? Does it match this one?
Yeah.
Yes, it does. Let's look. Is that capital? Look closely. Is that a capital? Look closely.
Yeah.
Yes? All right. Check. And you also use a capital for your name. So perfect. All right. Did you use finger spaces? Can you look closely? Can you find any finger spaces? There's one. There's another one. All of you guys have finger spaces.
There's one right here.
Punctuation lets people know how to read your sentence. So if we use a period, we just say, I am Liam. If we use an exclamation point, we need to say it excited or yelling, like this. I am Liam! Or, I'm Liam! A question is like this. I am Liam? I am Liam? I don't know, am I? So which one do you want to use?
The yellow one.
The yellow one? You're going to start at the blue line and slide almost all the way down to the red line or the pink line, and then boop, make a dot. Start on the blue line, closer, closer, closer. Start on the blue line, slide almost all the way down, stop. And now make your dot on the bottom. Boop. Nice. Okay, do you have punctuation?
Yeah.
Good job checking. I like that. All right. Yes. Okay, next thing. Did you sound out words?
Yeah.
Did we go am? Am.
Yeah.
Yes, you did. And you also used your environmental print, which is the sight word. Great job. All right, Liam, it's time to do your picture. Are you going to draw a cow?
No.
But what if you love cows? Do you love cows?
No.
Chickens?
No.
I don't know why I'm stuck on farm animals. How about a pizza?
No.
No? What are you going to draw?
Myself.
Yourself, because you said, I am Liam. Wait. You used the exclamation point. I am Liam. Right?
Yeah.
You got to say it excited because you used an exclamation mark. All right. So what we're going to do is you are going to follow me on your drawing. Your drawing goes up here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need to color. Let me see. Do you have a orange face?
No, I have a white face.
Green?
No, I have a white
No, okay. So for skin, we use two colors. You can use apricot or you can use brown. Which one would you like to use?
face.
The peach one? Okay, go ahead. Color in your face. Your head's so massive. Good job. It's like you got a close-up on your head, huh?
Can you like skip the head part?
You just want to leave that part? You got to go in there. You got to go in there and color the rest of that. Awesome. Okay, that face looks just about done. What color would you like your shirt?
Brown.
You want a brown shirt? Okay, look it. You're going to go right underneath your neck, right there.
Right underneath my neck.
Perfect. And what color would you like your shorts to be? Yay, Liam! You did it! You made your very first sentence and your drawing. Is your mom and dad gonna be so proud?
Yeah.
Yes, they are. Okay, the last thing that we're gonna do is you are going to read it. Are you ready? Because now you've learned a sound, you've already knew the word, but we have a new word that we're going to be using, and now you are going to read it. But we need a helper. Are you ready to meet my helper?
Yeah.
It's right here. Look. Oh my goodness. My helper's really excited. So excited because this is your first time writing a sentence. This is my bookworm. And do you know why I call it a bookworm?
Why?
Because he loves to read, and bookworms are people or things that love to read. Can I see your bookworm? Point your finger. Point your finger. Hi, Liam's bookworm.
Hi.
Hey, are you ready to read?
Yeah.
Yes. Are you going to be a good reader?
Yeah.
I am Liam.
I am Liam.
I
I
am
am
Liam.
Liam.
Okay. I moved your hand underneath the word, but now I want you to try it all by yourself with your bookworm, okay?
Okay. I
Uh-huh.
am Liam.
Yay! You did it! Oh my gosh! You not only, yes, double, trouble. Good job. Yes. You just did your first sentence and you finger spaced. You did your checklist. I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much. Everybody say bye. I hope you followed along.
Bye.